Hey OFRA Beauties, Maya Galore here. I'm a beauty influencer and content creator, and today we are going to be doing a full daytime look and transitioning it to a nighttime look. I'm gonna show you the exact products to use to take your daytime look to a nighttime look super quick and easy. Before we hop into it, make sure that you hit subscribe on the OFRA YouTube channel, and let's do it. Alright OFRA Beauties, so we are going to go ahead and create a daytime look, and then we are going to turn it into a nighttime look. We're going to start off with the silicone gel primer, and I'm going to go ahead and put this all over the face. And on top of that primer, we are going to go into our Absolute Cover Foundation, and my shade is number 8. It is the perfect shade for me, and I love it. Always have, always will. Even though first this is for daytime, we still want to bring some dimension back into the face. So I'm going to use the Contouring and Highlighting Cream Foundation Signature Palette to go ahead and sculpt myself out. I'm going to use number 29 here on the end to put on the perimeter of my face. And I'm essentially just buffing this into the skin just to give us, you know, that natural shadow around the face. Then I'm going to take the shade number 6 right here, and I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eye and a little bit around the face as well. And I'm gonna take my OFRA sponge and blend this out. Whether it's day or night, this sponge will get you right. It'll blend everything perfectly. And that's why I love it so much. Since this is a daytime look first, we wanna keep it nice and light. So I am gonna go into a cream blush. This is in the shade Truly. And I'm dabbing a little bit of this on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take a blush brush and start to work this onto our cheeks. We just want a bit of color, not too much for the daytime. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with translucent powder, and we're gonna go into a light bronzer. I'm gonna take the Blush and Bronzer Duo Compact, and this is in Unit. And because this is daytime, we're gonna be a little light with it, and we're gonna take this bronzer and use it just to put on the perimeter of the face. But we're keeping it light since this is a daytime look. That's why we're going for kind of a lighter color. We're gonna go into a deeper one when it's nighttime though. To accent the face for daytime, we are going to be using the new Solstice palette. And with an eyeshadow blending brush, we are gonna go into the shade right here up at the top, and this is Dulce. And we are going to just work this into our crease area of the lid. This is just gonna give us a very beautiful wash of color, something nice and neutral for daytime, but still bring some interest into the eyes and not just leave them bare. And on the lid, we're gonna go into the shade Divine, and we are working this shade right along our lid. And this gives us a very beautiful eye for the daytime, for work, whatever you got going on, school, work, whatever. It's just a very beautiful color, and it's some shimmer, so we got a little fun going on, but not too much, you know? From there, I'm just gonna finish off my eyes with my HD Volumizing Mascara. And those are our eyes for the daytime. We are also gonna go ahead and dip a little bit into the highlighter that is in the new Solstice palette as well. And this is Rodeo Drive. And we're just going to add a little bit of shimmer to the nose, above the lip, and also just a little bit on the tops of our cheekbones. Lastly, we just need to add a lip to this daytime look. I'm gonna be using the liner, and this is in the shade Chestnut. This is one of my most favorite lip liners because it's perfect for my skin complexion. Then I'm going into a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Sanibel. And I'm just rubbing my lips together to make like the perfect everyday nude type of look. And that is it for our daytime look. I'll give you guys a good little view of it before we go ahead and switch this up to nighttime. So now we're going to use a couple different products, but also the same palette to switch this up from day to night. The first thing we're gonna do is just kind of deepen up and dramatize the face a little bit. So I'm gonna take the Blush Bronzer Duo Compact in the shade Squad. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the deeper bronzer first. I just kind of want to deepen up the face, give us a little bit of drama, you know. That'll really add an element of surprise and drama to the look to make it more appropriate for nighttime instead of daytime. And because this is a powder, it also kind of does some touching up as well for your makeup. We're gonna deepen the bronzer around the nose as well. While we're at it, we're also gonna dip into the blush that is in this compact, and we are going to layer it on top of the blush we already have. We still don't wanna do too much, but we do wanna bring just more pigment into the look to make it appropriate for nighttime and going out. Now our eyes and our lips is really where we're gonna bring the drama for nighttime. So we are dipping back into the new Solstice palette, and the shade that we are gonna go into is Mahogany. And with the small blending brush, I'm going to start to push that shade into the corners of my eyeshadow and kind of start to blend it up over my lid. You see how Yeah, that's gonna really give us some drama to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on both sides. And we're pretty much creating more of a smoky eye type of situation. The color that we have on the lid actually can stay, but we do want to kind of just bring some more drama into it. So I am gonna layer on the edges of my lid dipped in gold, and just right on the end I'm gonna go into this shade as well and kind of blend that into the deeper shade just to add a little bit more dimension and drama to that eye. For our daytime look, we did skip on the bottom lash line color, but we do want to go into mahogany and put that on the edges of our bottom lash line. And this will just further smoke out that eye. We're gonna go ahead and add our verified liner. And I am just going to create somewhat of a wing, a thicker wing right on the end, which is really gonna bring the drama. And the last thing we're gonna do with the eyes is just add some lashes, and we got the drama popping. The very last thing that we need to take this look from day to night is to go in with a bold lip. So first I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce my chestnut liner. And now, even though this is beautiful and we can keep it like this, we want the drama. So on the lips, we're gonna go into the long lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in Mina. And that gives us like the perfect ending to this bold nighttime look. So go ahead and put our daytime and our nighttime look side by side so you can see how easy it is to go from day to night. All right, OFRA beauties, so that wraps it up for today's tutorial, taking our look from day to night. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.